Dubai, a dazzling metropolis rising from the Arabian desert on the Persian Gulf, captivates tourists with its iconic skyline, bustling markets, and record-breaking landmarks. Picture this. You're at the airport, excitedly anticipating your trip to the glitzy city of Dubai. But wait, hold that thought. Imagine finding yourself in a nightmare scenario where a seemingly innocent situation turns into a 3-month jail sentence. Yup, you heard me right. That's exactly what happened to a British tourist who dared to insult airport staff after they failed to provide a wheelchair for his mom. Can you believe it? They say ignorance is bliss, but in Dubai, it could land you in a heap of trouble. This wasn't just a cautionary tale about airport etiquette gone wrong. Oh no, my friends, this is a wake-up call for all you first-timers planning your Dubai escapade. From jaw-dropping skyscrapers to golden beaches, Dubai has it all. But before you jet off to this desert oasis, you need to know the do's and don'ts to avoid landing yourself in hot water. And ladies, listen up. I know you want to look cute for the gram, but flashing too much skin is a major faux pas in Dubai. So unless you want to be mistaken for an extra in a Beyoncé music video, keep those crop tops and short shorts packed away. But wait, there's more. Did you know that Dubai is like the Vegas of the Middle East, minus the casinos? That's right, folks. Gambling is a big fat no-go here. So if you're feeling lucky, you might want to try your hand at something else, like skydiving or camel racing. Now, let's dive into the juicy details, shall we? We'll uncover the top pitfalls to avoid during your Dubai adventure, from cultural customs to strict laws that could turn your dream vacation into a nightmare faster than you can say. So sit tight, grab your popcorn, and get ready to learn the ropes of navigating Dubai like a seasoned pro. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Stick around till the end for some jaw-dropping stories, insider tips, and hilarious anecdotes that will have you laughing, cringing, and maybe even reconsidering your travel plans. Trust me, folks, you won't want to miss this. So without further ado, let's dive into the ultimate guide on things not to do in Dubai for first-timers. Let's roll. Use of left hand. Avoid using your left hand for greetings, handling items, or eating in public. In many cultures, including Dubai's, the left hand historically served sanitary purposes, making its use in social interactions considered disrespectful. Public displays of affection. Public displays of affection, such as holding hands or kissing, are socially unacceptable in Dubai and may result in legal consequences. Respect local norms by refraining from such acts in public spaces. Appropriate dress. Dress modestly, especially in public areas like malls, markets, and religious sites. Avoid revealing or tight clothing, opting instead for loose, modest attire to respect local sensitivities and the climate. Language and behavior. Exercise restraint in speech and behavior, refraining from vulgar language or gestures, particularly in public. Avoid any remarks that could be deemed disrespectful towards Islam or the local culture. Photography permissions. Seek permission before taking photographs of individuals, especially women and children, to respect their privacy and cultural sensitivities. Be mindful of restricted areas where photography is prohibited. Medication restrictions. Adhere to UAE's strict anti-drug policy by familiarizing yourself with permitted medications. Ensure compliance with regulations to avoid legal repercussions, including imprisonment. Ramadan etiquette. During Ramadan, refrain from eating, drinking, or smoking in public during daylight hours out of respect for those fasting. Exercise discretion and dine in designated areas or private spaces. Driving conduct. Practice courteous and safe driving, refraining from rude gestures or aggressive behavior on the road. Respect traffic rules to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Prohibited items. Be mindful of items prohibited in Dubai, such as materials deemed offensive or products originating from certain countries. Avoid carrying such items to prevent legal issues at customs. Avoid consuming alcohol in public. Whether you're casually enjoying a beer while exploring the city or socializing with friends in a public setting, Dubai isn't the place for public drinking. Both public intoxication and consuming alcohol in public are prohibited by law, carrying penalties that could lead to fines or even jail time. To ensure a seamless vacation experience in Dubai, it's essential to steer clear of this offense. Avoid dancing in public. Surprisingly, public dancing is deemed provocative in Dubai, and indulging in it can result in significant fines. To evade potential penalties, it's advisable to reserve your dance moves for licensed clubs or the privacy of your own accommodations. Additionally, playing loud music in public is also prohibited and can result in hefty fines. Stay informed about the laws and regulations to have a hassle-free experience in Dubai and adhere to the guidelines to avoid any legal repercussions. Respect for royalty and culture. Refrain from discussing sensitive topics or expressing criticism of the royal family, religion, or local customs in public. Respect for cultural sensitivities is paramount to a harmonious experience. Beware of Dubai's summers. While Dubai offers a plethora of attractions, its summers are not for the faint-hearted. The extreme heat can be overwhelming, often necessitating indoor activities or seeking refuge in air-conditioned spaces. Those keen on desert adventures should be particularly mindful of the intense summer temperatures. No casinos in Dubai. Contrary to popular belief, Dubai does not host any casinos. In fact, the entire UAE does not permit casino gambling. Visitors should be aware of this misconception before planning their trip to Dubai. Shop smart. While Dubai is renowned for its extravagant malls, shopping can be expensive. Unless during sale seasons, rates tend to be high. Tourists should exercise restraint or wait for opportune moments to make their purchases. Zero tolerance for drunk driving. Dubai maintains a strict stance against drunk driving. It is illegal to operate a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, with severe penalties, including potential imprisonment for offenders. Those consuming alcohol must possess a valid license and refrain from driving afterwards. Workdays and weekends. In Dubai, Sunday is a regular workday, unlike in many other countries where it is considered a weekend. Thursday serves as the start of the weekend, with Friday being a designated holiday. This distinction is important. Understand currency and tipping etiquette. Familiarizing oneself with the local currency and tipping customs can enhance the overall travel experience in Dubai. It's customary to tip service staff in hotels, restaurants, and other service-oriented establishments, but understanding the appropriate amount is important. Commonly asked questions about what not to do in Dubai. What are the regulations in Dubai for tourists? In Dubai, there are specific guidelines for female attire, recommending garments that cover the arms and legs, with underwear kept concealed. Additionally, swimwear should only be worn at designated beach areas, and cross-dressing is strictly prohibited under Dubai law. Is it acceptable to wear shorts in Dubai? Yes, wearing shorts is permissible in Dubai when venturing out in the city, visiting malls, and dining in restaurants. However, it's important to be mindful of attire when visiting religious or spiritual sites, ensuring clothing is respectful and appropriate for the location. Can unmarried couples vacation in Dubai? Certainly, unmarried couples are welcome to vacation in Dubai. It's completely acceptable to plan a holiday together and share accommodations in Dubai as an unmarried couple during your trip. Is it legal to consume alcohol in Dubai? While drinking alcohol is not illegal in Dubai, there are specific regulations governing its consumption. Tourists can enjoy alcoholic beverages in restaurants and hotels, provided they demonstrate proof of age if required. Is Dubai safe for solo travelers? Absolutely. Dubai is a safe destination for solo travelers to explore independently. With robust safety measures in place, solo travelers can enjoy their time in this exotic location with peace of mind. What are the prohibited actions in Dubai? There are several important considerations for travelers visiting Dubai, including 1. Avoid public intoxication. 2. Refrain from insulting Islam. 3. Do not openly display homosexuality. 4. Use your right hand for greetings and transactions. 5. Obtain permission before photographing individuals. Can 2 male friends share a hotel room in Dubai? Yes, 2 male friends can share a hotel room in Dubai without any issues. However, unmarried couples are not permitted to share a room together. When is the best time to visit Dubai? The optimal months to visit Dubai are typically from November to February, when the weather is pleasant and moderate, offering an enjoyable experience for travelers. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on what not to do in Dubai for first-timers. Remember, Dubai is a city of wonders, but it also comes with its own set of rules and regulations that every visitor must abide by. From refraining from public displays of affection to avoiding public intoxication, these guidelines are essential for a smooth and enjoyable experience in this vibrant city. Whether you're exploring the towering skyscrapers or immersing yourself in the rich culture, keeping these tips in mind will ensure that your trip to Dubai is unforgettable for all the right reasons. So, before you jet off to this mesmerizing destination, make sure to familiarize yourself with these important do's and don'ts. Trust me, it'll save you from any unwanted surprises and ensure that your time in Dubai is nothing short of spectacular. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. And as always, happy travels, adventurers. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.